Ever wonder why rich people keep getting richer? It's not just about earning more, it's about managing money wisely. Here are 7 financial habits that wealthy people use to build lasting wealth. Number 1, pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying anything, automatically save and invest a portion of every paycheck. They make their future a priority.
The wealthy track every dollar. They budget strictly and eliminate wasteful spending.
Don't let your cash just sit in the bank. Invest regularly in assets that grow. This builds true wealth over time. Rule number 4, avoid bad debt. Wealthy people skip consumer debt. They do not borrow money for lifestyle purchases. Instead, they use loans strictly to buy assets. They focus on Number 5, build an emergency fund. They keep several months of living expenses saved. This helps cushion unexpected costs without stress. Number 6, create multiple income streams. They diversify beyond a single paycheck. Using investments, side businesses, or real estate, this builds dividends and royalties.
Never stop learning about money. Study finance, investing, and business. The wealthy stay ahead. The wealthy stay ahead.
Remember, building wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how well manage your money. Start with these habits today and follow for more smart money tips.